Ever wonder what would happen if you stopped working, whether it was planned or not? Not sure you can maintain your current standard of living? Well, you're in the right place. Passive income pathways for the average Joe. And I am the average Joe. Today, we're tackling what exactly passive income is, why you need it, how to get it, and we're even going to debunk a couple of myths that you might have about passive income. That is a lot to cover in just a few minutes. Let's go. So let me ask a question. Do you really know what passive income is? Passive income, it's basically a way for you to earn money with minimal effort or active involvement. Okay, so why do you hear so much about passive income and why is it so important? Well, picture this financial freedom. Do you know anyone that actually has financial freedom? Do you know how they got it? Financial freedom can actually mean many things to many people. So, what exactly is financial freedom will depend on what it is that you're looking for. But passive income, yep, passive income is like the golden ticket to financial freedom. Now, don't get me wrong, money does not buy happiness, but it certainly can make it a little bit easier. Well, this passive income stuff sounds pretty good to me. How about you? But before you start thinking about sipping cocktails on the beach, let's debunk a few common misconceptions about passive income. And then we'll talk about how you can get started creating your own passive income stream. Myth number one, passive income requires zero effort. Truth is, while ongoing work might be minimal, most passive income streams involve significant upfront effort to set up and establish. This could involve creating content, building an audience, or investing time to research and analyze. Myth number two, passive income guarantees instant wealth. Don't I wish? Truth is, passive income is rarely a get rich quick scheme. Building a sustainable income stream often takes time and consistent effort, and the income generated might not be enough to replace your main source of income immediately. Myth number three, only the wealthy can access profitable passive income. Truth is, many passive income opportunities require minimal initial investment, such as creating an online course, starting a blog, and yes, even creating a YouTube channel like this one. While some options may involve larger monetary investment, there are various accessible ways to get started with little money or no money at all. Myth number four, there are limited options for beginners. Truth is, there are numerous passive income options for beginners like you and me. You really are only limited by your own creativity. From creating and selling your own digital products to investing in dividend paying stocks. The key is to research and choose an option that aligns with you and your skills and interest. Myth number five, passive income is risk free. While I wish it was, truth is no investment or income stream is entirely without risk. Market fluctuations, changes in the algorithms, or unexpected challenges can impact your passive income. That's why diversification and ongoing monitoring are essential and crucial for mitigating any of these risks. Okay. We've debunked some of the myths about passive income streams. Now, let's talk about why passive income is so important for the average Joe. When you have a passive income stream, it acts as a safety net, providing a buffer against unexpected financial situations, such as job loss. I've been there. It also can grant you more freedom to pursue your passions, travel, or work less if desired, offering greater control over your time and your lifestyle. While initial income might be modest, many passive income sources have the potential to grow over time. With consistent effort and reinvestment, that is key, you can cultivate a significant income stream that complements your primary income source and strengthens your financial future. Relying solely on one income source exposes you to the risks associated with that specific avenue. Building passive income streams diversifies your income portfolio, mitigating the impact of potential downturns at any single occurrence. This helps create a more robust and resilient financial foundation. Don't we all want that? I'll be sharing one of the easiest opportunities to kickstart your passive income journey with very little initial investment of time or money. Okay, so now you know what passive income is. You understand why it's important. You know the risks. You know what the myths are, and you're ready to get started. It all starts with research and education. After all, isn't that why you tuned in today? But how do you get started? What exactly is it that you, me, the average Joe can do right now to start a passive income stream? A few ideas to help you get thinking about what might be a good place for you to start on the passive income path. Here we go. One, you could create and sell digital products. This approach leverages your knowledge and skills and helps you generate an income. Takes lots of effort. You can utilize different platforms to sell your courses, build your own website, and sell ebooks and printables, to name just a few. This may take more time and skills, but not a lot of money. You'll be sharing your own intellectual property and packaging it so that other people can buy it. I'll be sharing more on this in later videos. This is not so passive at first until you get it set up. But once you get it set up, it's like creating your own ATM system. Number two, you can invest in dividend paying stocks and ETF. This involves investing in companies or traded funds, ETFs, that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, usually regularly on quarterly or monthly. Remember, investing involves inherent risks, so it's crucial to do your research and understand your risk tolerance before you start investing. And number three, my favorite and very beginner-friendly option is network and affiliate marketing for generating passive income. These business models both involve promoting other people's or companies' products or services and earning a commission on each sale that you drive. You don't need to create anything or learn anything. It takes less research and less money upfront, especially when you align yourself with products or services that you yourself already love and it's easy for you to share. In a nutshell, passive income is the key to financial freedom, diversification, and flexibility. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, educational, inspirational, or maybe a little bit entertaining, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you're notified the next time I share a video. We'll see you on the next one.